Right, so here's just a white piece of paper, right? And I have the word Danke is in German, and I have that cut out. So, wait, I had something in mind. Yeah, that should work. That should work. That should work. And I know it's, yeah, well, you just need to bear with me. It's just going to take a little bit of time. So cool. Yeah, you can see me. I'm just going to put more people into my Zoom window. Right, there you go. Fantastic. And why do I do this? So this is now the cutout green Danke. And this is I'm using open broadcasting system. So this is one layer. The one layer is a document camera. And the second layer is the screen. So now what you should see the word Danke, but you should actually see all of your faces behind the Danke. So, and I'm actually flipping through your faces right now so that you can see yourself. So I'm actually saying thank you to all of you who joined. And basically, just like I said, and now the Danke disappears. So now it's just me. So you have to use two layers, and one layer is the document camera, and you put a green screen on top, and then behind that layer you can put, I don't know, I put a screen behind that. So my second screen, and then on that screen I had the Zoom gallery, or I had a website, or I had the agenda there, and then it doesn't matter what you use, you just need to do something in green. So it's either that or this, and then you can do that magic. But before you leave, what software are you using for the layers? It's open broadcasting system. I'm going to put it into the Meetup group, or we will send it to all the people that registered. You can use many different, there's Manycam or open broadcasting system, or so these are the three that I know.